Eliminate disease triggers, activators, and detonators. Check the video description and first comment for upcoming workshop and course dates. This strengthening aims to neutralize stimuli causing intense emotional, psychological, or physical reactions. These triggers can be of various types and may be linked to past experiences, especially traumatic ones, triggering responses ranging from anxiety and stress to intrusive memories and compulsive behaviors and, of course, illnesses. Listen daily if you're in a toxic relationship or going through changes or crises. Will strengthen your central nervous system, spinal cord, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. We tense and relax to reinforce this new information and implement changes. Will strengthen the midline to erase completely, permanently, and absolutely all the memories we'll mention in this strengthening process from conception to adulthood, conscious, unconscious, and subconscious memories from this and other times. Memories received, made, seen, and ordered with all cumulative, repetitive, and kinetic effects. In you, ancestors, and descendants in this life and others. We erase this from physical spaces, surroundings, and time. We extend this strengthening to your children, parents, partner, and those you're emotionally close to. We erase memories of rejection, abandonment, humiliation, betrayal, and injustice causing pain and insecurity. We erase the need for revenge and the resentment driving it. We eliminate the self-perception of being a vulnerable, helpless victim. We remove the distorted belief that this brings you benefits, consciously or not. We boost understanding, tolerance, and empathy with balance towards yourself and others. For you to be flexible, sometimes permissive, sometimes not, trusting your inner wisdom. Let's make you strong and neutral in facing these 5 wounds. We'll erase sensitivity, unresolved issues, and repressed matters hindering growth and transformation. We erase guilt, shame, and remorse for having mixed feelings about those who rejected you. We strengthen your right to feel pain from rejection. Be strong to accept and recognize that this energy isn't fully resolved yet. Be strong to accept and recognize you're strengthening yourself to be neutral towards those experiences. Let's eliminate anxiety, sadness, anger, and repressed crying that weakens the body and triggers illnesses. We remove triggers from songs, movies, or stories that activate memories of depression and other illnesses. We stop you from seeking content that connects you with pain, anger, or other weakening emotions. Be strong to realize you need to see and hear information that connects you with peace and strength. For it to energize you with intelligence and awareness. Let's separate traumatic memories, known and unknown, from triggers like songs, movies, weather, sounds, and smells. We eliminate weaknesses. For to release, erase, free, forgive, protect, and forget these associations unconditionally. Make humans infinite 100% of the time with infinite time. We remove flashbacks, nightmares, and intrusive thoughts your body clings to. We erase all conscious and unconscious energies holding on to your pain. We'll remove energetic marks from traumas triggered by similar physical contact. We clear energetic waste, larvae, and entities vibrating in your body. We erase triggers and initiators of physical sensations and pains that remind us of traumatic events, both yours and others. We send this, with all your thoughts and assumptions, to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter and energy, black holes and unknown realms. We eliminate physical responses to these memories, like sweating, rapid heartbeat, shortness of breath, or the need to isolate or avoid. We separate traumas from abuse, violence, accidents, losses, and illnesses that left deep emotional scars. We erase weaknesses, level them out, and reorder them to be centered, balanced, and stable. Strong in recognizing and validating various types of triggers and activators. Strong enough to erase stubborn traces, remnants, and impressions that resist removal. Powerful enough to free oneself from pain, stress, insecurity, fear, doubt, and scarcity. Resilient to form new routines, habits, and triggers that activate strengthening energies. Capable of frequently recalling achievements, successes, and moments of resilience. Let's stop trying to understand others' decisions and actions. Strong enough to release understanding and move towards new horizons. Able to replace negative thought patterns with constructive, pleasant, neutral ones. Strong for all: positive, non-positive, negative, non-negative, and neutral. We strengthen to embrace sameness, difference, change, and perception, or their absence. We're erasing all internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of these geometric figures 100% with infinite potential for all time. We're removing everything that blocks, limits, or delays these triggers and initiators from appearing. Making your infinity human 100% of the time for all eternity, resetting, recalibrating, and rejuvenating your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? Any different?